Spurges are usually found in more open areas where there's more light, but this is a species that we find in the under the canopy of a rich woods. This species of spurge, that's the genus Euphorbia, has these long lance-shaped leaves. As you can see, they occur more or less opposite from each other. The flowers, what appear to be flowers, are not really flowers. They're heads again, or false flowers, but they're not the composite false flowers of the Asteraceae. Rather, what looks like a little flower here and petals, those petals are actually just appendages that are associated with the bracts that make up the involucre. Inside that, you see right here is a actual female flower. It has no petals, no sepals. It's just basically the pistil made up of 3 sections. And an adjacent flower are the male flowers showing, because the male flowers generally release their pollen before the female flower is mature or ready to be pollinated. So we see the male flower sticking out here, so they look like stamens sticking out of the flower, but in fact that's a cluster of male flowers. Each male flower has only one stamen and no petals, and no sepals, and no pistils. So it's you've got a little cluster of these strange little male flowers making up this flower. The female flower will come out a little bit later, as we see here. If we move on to another plant that is further along in its development, we see that now the female flower is enlarging, and it looks like a 3-headed club almost. It's a triangular lobed structure that's on a little stalk coming out of that what was the false flower, the involucre, and those will have 3 large seeds when that's finally mature. But you see the whole plant with the opposite long elongate leaves, which is characteristic of the spurge.